Hello everyone. Good morning and good afternoon, good evening and good night. So at whatever the time you watch my video. Sorry for the long break and after a long time we are meeting again, and today I am going to tell you that how to make a natural indicator, right? Litmus paper at your home, with the things which are available at your home, right? Fine. So today we are going to learn how to make natural indicators. Okay, natural indicators. And this is a chemistry topic. So we use these natural indicators to test whether the given solution is an acid or a base. Fine. So acids are natural acids like organic acids, and some are artificial like we made. So we know that acids are in sour in taste and base are bitter in taste. Fine. So it is not possible to test all the acids and to see the taste of the acid, right? So because some are corrosive. Fine. So today we learned that to say whether the given solution is the acid or base, we use an indicator. Fine. Okay. So that indicator is called litmus paper. We can use the litmus paper, but due to this corona, I think it is not available to purchase the litmus papers, okay, from the shop. So we can make the litmus paper at our home, right? So for that we need some materials. I will show you. To make a litmus paper, we need A4 size paper, okay, A4 paper. You can take A4 paper, and of course a scissor is required, scissor, and take some turmeric powder, right? Turmeric powder. If you add a little quantity, little amount of water, then you can see the turmeric. So I have mixed here in turmeric solution, turmeric powder, and added some water, right? So now, and after that, lemon. One lemon is enough. Okay, lemon is required. Okay, fine. And then from here I am using a soap. So this is surfactant soap. Okay, you can use soap. Okay, soap. And then now this soap, if you take the soap in water, if you take the soap and if you introduce the soap in the water, then so here I am taking some little amount of water and I was soaking the soap in the water. Okay, so now the water become like it become a base. Okay, so now this solution is called base. Fine. And so these are the required materials, and you can make a litmus paper by using the China rose also. Okay, this is called hibiscus flower, also called as China rose. So what you need is take A4 paper. Okay, and A4 paper or white paper is enough. Take this flower and just you rub the flower on the paper, right? So now we can see that the color is purple. So already I have made the paper here. So this now you will get the color of the paper in this way. So the color was changed. Now this, if you take a small piece of this paper, okay, and we can use this as litmus paper, right? And now if I take a small amount of small piece of paper and if I soak the paper in the turmeric solution, right? So we can see here now the color of the paper changed into yellow, right? This is a turmeric solution, and let us make it dry out for 15 minutes. Okay, let the paper get dry. So now, so after 15 minutes, we can observe, we can see that. So this is how the paper which was introduced in a turmeric powder changes its color. Okay, now we can use these also as a indicators. Fine. So right. Now let us see what happens. How to test an indicator. So let me take a lemon. See here, this is a small bowl. small plate. Okay, so plastic plate. So I am taking. So we know that the taste of the taste of the lemon is sour in taste, right? So if I squeeze, so here I am squeezing. See, you can observe here. I have collected some quantity of lime juice. Okay, I'll place it over here, and this is water, and in the water I'm soaking the soap. Okay, rinse soap. Now observe here. Here I was taking the yellow paper, right? Turmeric. Now when I introduce this paper in the base, like the rinse soap, the water, now you can observe, you can see the color change into red color, right? Fine. Now I will keep it over here for some time. Then now take a earbud, okay? Earbud is the earbud. Now see how to test acid or it is a base. So this is a yellow color, this is a red color. When I introduce the turmeric paper in a base like soap, so soap is considered as a base. Okay, so what happened? The color was changed into red color, and now so this is another paper, yellow in color, like which was soaked in turmeric powder. Fine. Okay, you can see here two papers. Now I will test which one is acid and which one is a base. Okay. Now let me see here. This base, if I take the lemon and squeeze the lemon, so I'm taking some. I was collecting some, like lime juice, and see here you can observe that the color was changed into yellow, right? You can observe here the color. So this lime juice is considered as an acid. So here this lime juice changed the color of the paper red color into yellow. Fine. And this side I use soap. So now observe. So the base. Okay. If I take the soap water. Okay. Soap water. Now you can observe the color of this yellow paper. Okay. You can see the color of the paper. You can observe that the color changed into red, isn't it? Okay, so here taking a base and when I apply, so we can see that the color was changed into red. Okay, so this is how to test of an acid and a base. So the yellow paper, so the red color paper, when it was introduced into the lime juice, it changed into yellow color, and the turmeric powder changed into red color when it was introduced in a soap. Okay, this is what about making a litmus paper. You can try this at home. And one more thing, and one more litmus paper by using this is a color of the paper. When I rub this China rose on the paper. Fine. Now we can test this also. Again, suppose if you take soap water, and if you apply here, so soap water is considered as a base. Okay, the soap water. Now try to observe the color. How does the color changes? If I apply the color over here, you can see the color. The color is changed into red, right? Red color. Now this is base. Now let me apply the acid here at the bottom. Let me apply. See here, you can observe the color, the color, a pink color. Color was changed into pink. You can see the difference between a base. This is a base and this is acid. Okay, so this is how we can make our own litmus paper at our home. Okay, thanks for watching. Try this litmus paper at your home. Fine. Thank you.